Assalamu alaikum grade 5 students. In chapter number 3, lungs and respiratory system, we were doing breathing and respiration. So respiration is a process that is occurring in all cells, and breathing is the combined effort of ribs, lungs and diaphragm to take in oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide gas. Breathe in, diaphragm moves down, ribs relax, and oxygen and air enters in our lungs. When we breathe out, diaphragm relaxes, moves up, ribs contract, and air is pushed out. Carbon dioxide is pushed out from our lungs. We have done question number 2, 4 parts. Today we will do question number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So question number 5 is, why are there tiny hair in the trachea? These tiny hair are actually cilia. The tiny hair in the nasal passage are called cilia and found in the lining of the air passages, where they help move mucus out of the lungs. Question number 6 is, what is the diaphragm and what does it do? We have already discussed many times that diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that helps in breathing in and breathe out. You have to pause this video, you have to write down this answer, and if you will learn this answer today, that will definitely help you in the long run. You will never forget the process of exhalation and inhalation in respiration. Question number 7. Differentiate between inhaling and exhaling. During inhaling, we breathe in. The diaphragm contracts and moves down. During exhalation, diaphragm relaxes and moves up. This is the orange shaped diaphragm. This is the diagram that will help in question number 9, but right now we have to solve question number 8 first. Question number 8 is, write harmful effects of smoking on lungs. Your lungs hate smoking. Cigarette smoke damages the cilia in the trachea because of which they can no longer move to keep dirt and other things out of lungs. Your alveoli get hurt too because the chemicals in cigarette smoke can cause the walls of the delicate alveoli to break down, making it much harder to breathe. Cigarette smoke can damage the cells of the lungs so much that the healthy cells go away only to be replaced by cancer cells. And your lung cells are very fragile, so avoid smoking. Question number 9. Labeling of diagram of lungs, and answers are very easy. Labeling, I hope you will do better than this diagram. Okay, question number 1 of question number 3 is, are the two lungs of same size? No, the right one is a bit bigger. Question number 2 is, which structure keeps our lungs safe as they are very delicate organs? You know that, rib cage. Question number 3, what is present beneath the lungs? The orange colored diaphragm. Okay, here the countdown starts. Number 1, nasal cavity. Number 2, nose. Number 3, mouth. Number 4, larynx. Number 5, left lung. Number 6, diaphragm. Number 7, throat. Number 8, esophagus. Number 9, trachea. Number 10, right lung. Number 11, bronchi. Number 12, capillary network. Number 13, venule. Number 14, arteriole. Number 15, bronchiole. Number 16, alveoli. Air enters from 2 and 3 into our windpipe, trachea, and then enters into the blue colored bronchioles. Now this air ends up into the grape-like structure, airbags, where exchange of gases occurs. Blue colored venule is telling you that blood is full of carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is removed by alveoli and is given out into the trachea and get rid by exhalation through our nose. The red color arteriole is showing the blood full of oxygen that has entered from air. Repeating the procedure again, air enters through nose and mouth, goes into trachea, divides into bronchi left and right, then air is going into airbags. Air is full of oxygen. This oxygen is entering into the blood cells which have been brought by our capillary network surrounding the alveoli, and carbon dioxide molecules are escaping from the blood cells and are entering into these bags or alveoli and are going up. You can see through the arrow, and are expelled out through the process of exhalation or breathing out. So alveoli are most important structures in our respiratory system. Learn this page again, work hard, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.